to my channel and welcome back to another TikTok TikTok video from our TikTok series. Today we are actually making recipes, summer recipes. So we have some drinks, we have some like DIY,
some sugar,
Dippin' Dots, lots of sugar. None of this stuff is air diet friendly, so just saying. But anyways, if you guys are ready, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you guys get notified every single time that I upload. If you guys are ready to get into it, then let's go. Okay, so this recipe here is pretty simple. All you need is parchment paper, Greek yogurt, and this is optional. You could definitely use a plastic bag, but we're super official, and also we got it at the Dollar Tree. So got both of these at the Dollar Tree.
That's the spot.
Love the Dollar Tree. Anyways, if you guys haven't seen my haul, you guys should check it out because you can get hella cool stuff there. Okay, anyways.
Oh, it was what? It was your option, what you wanted?
Well, everybody said that, and then you can add flavor.
Okay.
So
pretty simple.
Pretty simple.
Pretty fun for everyone.
Fun for everyone. I don't know if that spoon was it.
Why?
Because it's gonna get messy.
They're just too thick.
I told him that, but that's all over my fingers. Okay.
Okay, let me. Is that good enough? Or we need more. Should I get a little close up? Hold on.
This is kind of fun because it's kind of easy. I kind of thought it was gonna be like a thing, but it's pretty easy, you guys.
Make them big. You can't make like big ones. Like
why?
Make a couple.
These
big
are
ones
Dippin' Dots.
There's always a new wave.
Like if you want to eat a big spoonful, just eat it out of the thing.
Just put this in the fridge. I say 30 minutes.
Okay. Well, we'll put it in and we'll let you guys know how long. Alright guys, so this one I'm really excited about. My inner 9-year-old is screaming. Regular me is also screaming because this is a hit. And I'm sure those of you guys who like alcohol are probably going to be screaming too. Kids are also going to be screaming because you don't have to put alcohol in it if you don't want to. So anyways, and then me always making stuff for the kids. Go on ahead, girl. I'm that cool like tia that goes and like gives them hella candy. And then like se va and then I don't have to take care of them when they're on a sugar rush.
That aisle
Mood.
At the Dollar Tree is just everything. That aisle, this aisle where all the candy is, the heaven, it's all heaven.
I love that. So we got these little bowls also at the Dollar Tree because we're gonna make a fish bowl, and we ideally we wanted one of the big ones, but it kind of worked out because now we can make our own. And I don't know, I feel like I want to drink my iced coffee in here now. Like it can be an aesthetic, you know, kind of like a mood.
Hey.
Mood.
I guess.
Okay, so anyways, we are going to be making.
Mine.
Oh my
this
God,
is where my new shot glass.
We are going to be making a fishbowl drink.
Boom. Oh my God, that's why your teeth are messing up.
No, we don't have a scooper. We should have bought one.
Oh my God.
Okay, come on.
What?
Hey, is that the same one we have?
No. Oh, you put it in the blender?
I don't know if I want to blend mine. What do you think? I feel like that looks kind of gross. What do you think?
Let's see, what's up?
I kind of like the scoop idea. Like I kind of like mixing this with this. And then...
Why y'all? Oh my God.
It's called pizzazz, Michael. Okay.
It's called Drama Queen.
It's called pizzazz.
Okay.
I don't really know how much, but we're just gonna tantearle. We're adding some Hawaiian punch. They have the clear kind, but we're doing the red kind.
Sorry.
Oh, false alarm. Wait, did this one have Sprite?
I have good news. The Dippin' Dots are pretty much done.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh,
swear.
okay, cool.
So it doesn't take too long. So that's good. We love a fast little snackaroo.
So we're not gonna make it with alcohol, you guys, but you could totally make it with alcohol.
I thought they did that with the ice cream. You put ice cream in there?
No. I'm gonna do mine, and then I'm gonna put
Oh, so you're switching it up.
Oh yeah, I'm enhancing it my own way.
Oh, you didn't clarify that.
I did say that. And then we'll watch it back on the video, but... Can you do it?
You're kind of talking smack.
How was I talking smack? Fine.
Oh, not even.
I got it. Do you want yours with ice cream? I just want to put ice cream
I just don't think the ice cream,
like a float for me.
I feel you, I feel you. Let's do the same.
You were kind of attacking me though, so I don't know.
What was it?
What are you gonna put on yours? That one's yours. Cause I wanted you to have more, cause I'm nice.
For me, big favorite of these. Let me make sure they're good for me to put in there.
We're putting in Swedish fish, hate these, but it's a fishbowl, so we're getting into character here. Then we're gonna go ahead and add, is this like a blue color or is it just a reflection? What? It's like a blue color, you guys. That's cool. Ooh, okay.
Should I get a close up or what?
Okay, okay. We don't have an ice cream scooper, we're gonna use a tablespoon thing.
Oh my god. It probably works good though.
It probably looked better.
What? That's what's up. Yeah, I just want that. I just want that kind. Why you, like, you didn't even ask me what I wanted on mine.
Because I knew, because I can read your mind.
You can't get one of these because you didn't like it. You were hating on them.
That's fine. I don't want to get intoxicated, so.
How are you gonna get intoxicated?
You don't know if that breaks and has residue coming out of it?
I will finish the drink by then.
Y'all, is this safe to do? Let me know down below. It's not.
So, let's see how much mine is cooler than yours. Well, anyways,
I mean,
guys.
you can see it, but baby, drink that,
I'm not.
drink that, drink that.
I am. So I'm being annoying again.
Niño drink, and he'll start acting like a niño.
I'm being annoying, but I don't care.
Honestly, I like this because it's really a vibe, and I never really thought about it.
Try to mix it in with the ice cream, just see what happens.
And I had never thought about it, you know? But this is such a vibe. Whenever Corona's over and we have a party in 2027, I think we're gonna have some of these.
Ooh, I kind of like this little color going on here too. It's not bad, even when you mix with ice cream.
What alcohol would you put in it, Malibu?
It probably has to be sherbet.
What would you put in it, Malibu?
You could put Malibu. Malibu would be good.
Malibu? I feel like Malibu would be good in here because you have the coconut Red Bull. So it would kind of blend in, you know? And then, I don't know anything about alcohol. But that's the only coconut alcohol that I know, so I'm like, that would go good.
I'll put Tito's in here. Tito's vodka, just regular vodka.
I like Malibu because they don't taste like much.
Really? This is good. Hey, I like it. I rated it 8.5.
Y'all, for real, it's pretty fucking good.
And if you mix the ice cream, it's pretty good.
Let me see.
Now mix the ice cream in. Tastes good too.
Mmm. It is good. It's better with the ice cream.
Yeah. Who would have known?
Y'all, this is a hit. These cups are hella cute too. Like, this is the vibe.
She wants
if we ever have a party, we're definitely gonna have some of these. And then one per customer. So your first drink. The rest of them are gonna be the solo cups.
Oh my god. Lime.
We have lime.
Yes, I brought some. Lime. Is that
sugar? I don't know
sugar
if
or
we're
salt?
gonna put it. I'm pretty sure it's sugar. Well, we might need to add sugar to sweeten it up because it might be too sour.
But this would sweeten it up.
Hella improvising, y'all.
So guys, we don't have all the tools a kitchen needs yet, but we will.
And then us, a year after living here, still don't have all the tools.
Just because we don't cook, like we cook, but we don't cook like crazy.
But also, like, why would I need one of those little masher things? What are they even for?
Yeah.
The whole thing?
Yeah, I'm gonna squeeze it in there.
That's too much, no?
No. And then we just... So it's pretty squeezed up like that.
Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put it in there. And these are also from the Dollar Tree, and then we love the Dollar Tree. So you just find random stuff.
Oh yeah, I love it.
Okay.
So after you smash it all up, put the lime in there.
Are you mad?
No. I'm really used to it.
Really?
After a while, you get used to this stuff.
I mean,
it doesn't mean that
a little bit mad.
But it doesn't mean that it still doesn't upset you.
Well, yeah, so that's why, because you stayed quiet, I was kind of like, ay, se va a enojar.
So also, this could be alcoholic if you want to too. So,
what alcohol would you put in this? Okay, so we're gonna do two different ones, okay? The original one is with Sprite, but I kind of thought, what about coconut Red Bull, you know?
But guys, also you guys can put some kind of like summer seltzer in there, like some kind of like, you know, summer drink. A summer drink, maybe that Bud Light,
White Claw, Truly.
White Claw, Truly, yeah. You got it.
Dang, mine looks pretty cool.
I'm gonna do Sprite in mine.
Whoa, mine looks pretty cool. Wow.
That's how it looks, guys. Looks pretty cool. Looks pretty good.
Oh, yours is better. Taste that one? Because the coconut one kind of overpowers the kiwi taste.
Yeah. Put Sprite in it. For sure. Sprite and vodka. Whatever you
maybe.
Cheers, madame. So guys, I like this too. Very good, very fast, very easy.
Okay, we're gonna go ahead and rate it. What do you rate it?
For me, I feel like it can be enhanced.
Ah, I hit my knee. Do you have a funny bone in your knee? Oh.
I think so.
Oh my god.
It's good. Like this is a 7. And I'm sure I can enhance it to an 8.5.
I give yours a 7. I give mine a 6. Because mine just tastes like the Red Bull.
But it's good.
I feel like that would be good with alcohol. Like a splash. Like.
So there's that.
Okay.
On to the next.
Now let's do the dipping. All right, so it's all finished. We've got a little spatula here.
Can I touch one?
Yeah.
There you go. Nice.
Ah, it's melting.
Can we get like a spoon or something? That's what we got. We should have made more, but you guys get the idea.
First thought is it melts very quickly, but actually, you know when you get the Dippin' Dots and they're hella cold, like they're kind of hard, and it takes a minute for them to, you probably have to keep it in a really, really, really cold fridge. Ready?
Yes.
Okay.
So we probably should have left it in there longer,
Yeah.
you thinking? How long?
I don't know, probably hours. Because it's just
2 hours?
It's just kind of really blending into my mouth.
But
I mean, it's kind of
I get
like
the idea.
It's better than being a yogurt, obviously.
I get the
It's
idea.
more
though.
fun. I like the textures, but it's definitely like.
I do like the texture. Yes.
I feel like it is better than just frozen yogurt.
I have to rate off of this.
Yes.
It's not bad. I give it a 6.5
It's pretty high.
because it's not bad. It's good.
I mean, it's not bad, but also I don't really know if it's worth doing. Just buy yourself Dippin' Dots, because for you to make yourself.
It didn't take too long.
I know, but for you to make yourself a decent amount, like you're gonna need like at least 3 of those parchment papers. You're gonna get trastes dirty. You're gonna have to wash trastes. You're gonna have to wash that thing. The thought of washing that thing right now. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please let us know down below what else you guys want to see from us. We are planning on doing a mukbang very soon. I know you guys miss our mukbangs, but please let us know in the comments what we should have that is open right now. Well, most things are open, right?
Most things are open.
Yeah, so anyways, leave us suggestions, let us know so that way we can film that ASAP. And also don't forget to subscribe if you have not already and ring that bell so you guys get notified every single time that I upload. Because I don't want to.
I'm kind of interested in some barbecue type of TikTok recipes, so let me know
Tag us.
Something on the grill.
Tag us, let us know what y'all want to see. But thank you guys again so much for watching. We love you guys. Please don't forget to tag us if you guys do decide to make these.
Yeah.
Specifically the bowl, because the bowl is hella cool, honestly. If you guys see me on Instagram stories pouring my coffee, my little aesthetic matchas inside the bowl, support me, okay? Live for it. But love you guys so much, and we will talk to you guys